problem. 1508. Read sum of sorted subarray sums. Let's first understand the problem. We are given an array nums, and these nums have n integers. So if there are n positive integers, how many subarrays? So the subarrays should be continuous, like 1, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so the formula is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Yeah, you should understand about this kind of formula. If you solve a lot of Leetcode array problem, you need to know how many subarrays. So this is by definition, there are n times n plus 1 divided by 2 subarrays. Yeah. And we are also having a left and right. So this left is and right is we are getting, yeah, because of that kind of subarray, we are getting all those kind of array, and from this array we will sort it. So after sorting, it will be like that. So this left and right, it is from index 1. It means we're gonna check from the first element to the fifth element, and it's gonna be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So the result is 13. Yeah, and the final result should be modular by 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Yeah, you should be care about this one. Otherwise, you're gonna make a mistake. And you should also take care about the index. It's gonna starting from 1. But for our array, it's gonna be starting from index 0. So you need to take care about all those things. It is easy, but it's also easy to make mistakes. So to avoid making mistakes, let me just prepare a modular first. So it is 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. And now let's just prepare our subarray, all our subarrays. So I'm gonna put it inside a result. Yeah. Now, in order to get all the subarray sum, I need to use a prefix sum. So the nums, I'm gonna use the prefix sum. I'm gonna list the accumulate. So in Python, we can use accumulate of these nums, and we can prepare an initial. So this initial will be 0. This is just easy for the calculation. Yeah. Now I can use this to get the result. So n should equal to length of nums, and then for I in range n, and for j in range I plus 1 to n. This is just for calculating the subarray sums. Yeah. So result just can append the value. So it should be the nums j minus nums I. Yeah. So for example, this I is starting from 0. For example, if this is a 0 for this array, yeah, let's just check these areas. Let me check this one. Yeah, as an example. So we have this subarrays. So after using the prefix sum, it's gonna be 0 first, and then 1, 3, and 6. Yeah. If we are going to check, for example, 1 minus 0, so this I is starting from 0, and this j starting from 1. So what is the result? So the result is nums j minus nums I. So nums 1 minus nums 0, so the result is 1. So it means it is the first value, 1. Yeah. After that, we got we got another value. So currently, we got a 1. And next, we got a 3. 1 plus 2, it is a 3. So 3 minus 0, it is a 3. And for the next, we're gonna get a 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3. And here is 6. 6 minus 0, it is still 6. So this means everything should be right. Yeah. Now, we have our result array, but that is not sorted. We need to sort it first. So we're gonna sort it and put it inside the answer. So for answer, it should be I in range, so the left should minus 1, because it is starting from index 0. But our question is starting from index 1. Yeah. So we're gonna turn it to 0. And here, also for the right. Yeah. As Python, the right is not included, so we can just put it there. This just means right minus 1, left minus 1 to right minus 1. And we can get it to the result. So the get it to the answer. Result should plus answer should plus result I. And finally, we can just return the answer. Let's just analyze the time complexity first to check if it works. Yeah. So this n is 1000, and n times n plus 1 divided by 2, it is like 5 times 10 to the power of 5. So n log n, it should work. Yeah, because n is not a big value. Because it is 5 times 10 to the power of 5 times log n. Maybe it is 5 times 10 to the power of 6. Yeah. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check. Yeah, because I forget the modular. So as I told you, I should always prepare this modular, but for the final result, I forget about it. So this is while we are solving the problem, we need to be careful about it. Yeah, as you can see from here. Now let me submit it again to check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. See you next time.